Va 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 boom. This dress instantly makes you feel so sexy. Let's talk about the wrap dress. The wrap dress brings the attention from here to here. So it instantly gives you a much more slim and trim looking waist. Now, listen, if you wanted to wear shapewear with this, you could. You really don't need it. It gives you such a beautiful shape. It has a little clasp right here so it stays closed. You don't have to worry when you bend over that it's gonna gape open. The slit is not too wide. When you walk, it will show a little leg, but it's actually quite conservative for such a sexy dress. And what I like to do with a dress like this is I paired it with a really casual shoe. So let me show you what this shoe is. Do you remember topsiders? These are Sperry topsiders. They are so cushioned and so comfortable. Let me explain why I think this is so cute. So you could wear a dress like this with a really fancy heel and you would be like the sexiest mama on the block. But by pairing it with a loafer like this, and by the way, this loafer has a good 3-inch heel, so it gives you height. It just makes it a little more casual. First of all, walkable and wearable, but you still look put together, you still look sexy. Every item you see in these videos, you will find in my Amazon storefront. I've taken all the guesswork out of it. The quality is there, the sizing is accurate, so just enjoy your bougie luxury looks for far less. And I put it with a little ruffled sock. These socks come in a pack of 5, I think, and they're all like brown, taupe, off-white, neutral, black, like they're those colors. I don't know. You cannot tell me this doesn't slay.